here at Farmerscut, our first indoor vertical farm based in Hamburg. Currently we are supplying restaurants and cantinas with our salads. They are all based in Hamburg because we believe in our approach that we really want to go farm to fork without any middleman, and we really want to produce locally and sell locally. So how that happens is that we take the salads with the roots intact. That's what we call harvest on demand, because we deliver the living plant to the consumer in a tray, and it's only the consumer, the restaurant, the chef who's harvesting it with a scissor. So that's how we can guarantee that the quality, the freshness is there until the point of consumption. We have about 80 different varieties of baby leaves, herbs, cresses. We are continuously experimenting, but for the continuous production that we are selling, we have about 30 varieties. Our farmhouse has a growth surface of 550 square meters, which is in the efficiency or in the output equivalent to 15,000 square meters on the open field. So in that sense, this one farmhouse, one unit is about 8 meters high and 20 meters long and has 9 layers.
We kind of came across all these companies that offer grow lights, and it was very confusing to us. Everybody had a different opinion on what was needed, and on spectra, and on blue and red and light and all that, and it became to us very almost not understandable and too complicated. So we then flew to the United States to talk to some so-called lighting specialists in the US. We've been to Asia, we talked to Chinese producers, we've been to all kinds of companies just to make sense of it. Then we collected some of the best lights that we thought they were the best, put them to a lab test, and the result from the lab test was actually then that by far the Valoya light proved to be the most reliable and the best one in terms of predictable output. What kind of really kicked us to sign contracts with Valoya and to stick to Valoya is that the care, the support, the intense cooperation, the intense consulting on really finding the best possible solution is something that would, at least for me, from a business perspective, equally important to technical specs. It would be great if we could continue to grow outside and wouldn't have to worry, and we could feed the world. But apparently this is an issue today. You know, the soil is deteriorating, and now that LED becomes not only very efficient but affordable, it cannot be stopped. It is kind of an evolution from field to greenhouse to indoor farming. So let's stop the pesticides, let's stop wasting land, where here we can, with 1,000 square meters, substitute 30,000 square meters outside agriculture and have just a better product. So therefore, the future is bright, because there will be indoor farming, and hopefully with Farmerscut.